All right, so today's video is about network marketing, and more specifically, it's about the marketing within network marketing. Because if you don't know how to market your network marketing business, you're not going to be able to build your downline, right? So I started out in my network marketing business. I started getting leads after the whole debacle with getting your friend, making a list of your friends and family and all that stuff. That really just that stuff. It worked 30 years ago, but I really with the internet and the way if you use a proper funnel system and stuff, you don't have to use that method anymore. So few people had asked me questions on my blog, and the whole YouTube thing is completely new to me. But figured I'd share the information on how I built started getting all my leads and built my downline. I started out using a blog, but more specifically, you have to market your business, but and you'll watch there's thousands of videos on YouTube, and there's blog posts and everything else saying create content. Yeah, you got to create content, but you have to create content that has a specific purpose to your target audience, right? So if you're in network marketing, your target audience is either going to be people that are interested specifically in the products that your network marketing company provides, or it's going to be people that are interested in building a network marketing business because they want to work from home and they're attracted to the type of things that building a network marketing business provides to them, right? So putting out content for the sake of just putting out content, it does have its place, and you will attract an audience. I don't know if you would attract the right audience. Specifically with a blog, it's like with a blog, people are typing in specific information on Google, right? So it's like you don't want people, if you're promoting a specific product in your network marketing company, you don't want them showing up for something that's completely different than working from home or the specific product that your network marketing company has and that you're promoting. So create content with a purpose, right? Specifically, people that haven't been able to build a downline in network marketing, your target audience, if you're in network marketing, are either people that are currently in network marketing and they're not succeeding the way that they hope to. They don't have the proper help from their upline, or you're looking for people that previously were in network marketing and they're thinking about getting back into it. But for example, if you're whatever the specific product that your network marketing company provides, there may be a whole audience on the internet that they really want information and they really want to use that particular product or service, right? So orient the content that you create online specifically to that. That way, people that are finding that content that you're putting out there will they see it as high value, and they're specifically attracted to you. Maybe they see you as someone like, hey, if I partner up with this person, maybe this person can help me get to where I want to go in my home-based business, right? So creating content with purpose, and then structuring that content to where there's a proper funnel, a proper system. That's why I put funnel and I put system, because it's like you want now you have content, now you have people that are attracted to you. They're either coming to your blog, they're coming to your YouTube page, and you're on purpose, you're driving people to a piece of high value content that will help them, right? And this also helps you weed out people that just they're not at a stage yet where they're even willing to invest $1, right? So it's like if this piece of content is extremely high value, you already read the book or took the course or whatever, and like, hey, this content will really really help them. If they're not willing to spend $1, then they're probably not going to do anything if they were to join you in your network marketing business either. So this is kind of like it serves a lot of purpose, but one of those purposes is helping to weed people out. So you created content, and now you have a funnel system set up, right? There's I'm not going to go over how to create a YouTube page in this video. There's thousands upon thousands of videos on how to set up your YouTube page, or how to set up a blog. But the main point that I wanted to make in this video is the days of just making a list of friends and family and stuff. If you're doing that and you haven't had success in doing that, then this is a way to start to create a content and build an audience, right? You're building an audience that are already attracted to the content that you're putting out. I'm a very introverted person, so when I started investing in all kind of different courses and stuff on how I can build an audience and how I can get people attracted to me, I didn't choose YouTube as the first social media platform because I didn't want to be in front. I didn't want to make videos, So I decided to do a blog, and now I got my blog to a point where I am attracting a consistent flow of people that are interested in joining me in my network marketing business. But I know the next step is I have to step outside of my comfort zone, and I have to start making YouTube videos and really focusing on that in 2021. But you can see here, regardless of what platform you choose, what you really own in your network marketing business is your list, right? You don't have a say-so in the products. You really don't own much of anything other than the people that you put in your email autoresponder. That's your list. These are the people you get to communicate through and consistently provide value to in your email list. So as you build your list by using you're creating content, right? That's the content and the people you're attracting. That's taking the place of you having to go out and beg your friends and family to join your network marketing company and saying, here, try this juice, try this juice, right? But a lot of people find, even if you do get 4 or 5 people in your circle of friends and family, it's a lot of those people, they kind of join out of pity, or maybe they try the products for a little while, but they're really not interested in building the business. And so at some point you start to realize, like, hey, I got to really treat this network marketing business like a real business, and I need to learn how to market it on the internet, or market it. Internet's not the only way. I believe it's the best way right now, because there's never been a time where you can put yourself out there in the marketplace without having to spend a whole bunch of money. There's all different types of ways, by just using free traffic methods to attract people and build your own personal, tribe and audience. So I will do another video on this. I just wanted to, while the thought popped into my mind, I wanted to make a quick video going over creating content with a specific purpose, and then when people are attracted to that content, making sure you have a funnel system that's set up that's going to be able to capture those people, and you can start building the list within your own network marketing company. If you like the information, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down there, even if you just have any questions. I'm going to provide a link to a really valuable book that really set me off and got me. It's by my mentor, and it really gave me the information and the fundamental foundational skills that I needed to take my network marketing business to the next level. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.